put the flowers, the cactus flowers in that bowl. Sitahin nyo lang, mami, sa pagmamount kasi gumagawa na siya ng paraan. Teacher, sabi ko, stop it! Yung ang tato eh. Idadaan ka na talaga sa iyak. Pagka maaawa ka, wala. Wala. Oh.
Iggy boy, flutter ka. Nag-iisip mo na. Wow! Babay-babay. Si Kuya.
Are you done?
Very.
Are you done? Okay, can you point to me where is the color yellow flower? Where is yellow flower? There. Say there.
Yes.
There. How about the blue? Where is the blue? Sit down, sit down, you sit down. How about the purple flower? Where is the purple flower? Oh, masibay mata to. Purple flower. Ay, dito. Here it is. The color pink flower. Can you find the pink flower? Yan. Good job. Okay, you pack away, please. Pack away. Hey, pack away. Put it back inside. Pack away. Yes, pack away. Pack away. Pack away. Pack away. Pack away. Very good.
Kukunin ko na. Sandali lang.
Sino si?
Tao lang. Nantok na ako. Let's go na, guys. At the fighting. Brielle and Rysek.
Teacher Jopay. Ganun ka. Where is the green star? Listen. You're not listening. Where is the green star?
Green star.
Correct. Okay, go. Put it. How about the blue flower? Correct. Yes. How about the yellow diamond? Wait siya. Smart siya. Ate Sir. Oh. Yellow diamond. Very good. How about the green rectangle? Kolingo. Okay, red pentagon.
What's that sound?
Yeah, it's a song. It's a music. Okay, get the purple hexagon. Nagtatanong siya. Pwede na ito speech actually. Purple rhombus. Where will you put the purple rhombus? The orange octagon. And the red semicircle. Ang galing! Good shot.
How about
Do you like to put together dinosaurs? Dinosaurs, dinosaurs.
Russian?
Picture. Yellow. Orange. Sit down properly. Yellow. Blue. Purple. Wait lang. Red. Blue. Wait lang. Green. Another green. Okay, and red. Okay, wait lang. Balong. Wait. Oh no, not like that. Get the color green. And then you put together green. And then you shoot. Go. Put together. Color orange. Get orange. Oh, get orange. Put together. Okay, and then shoot. Okay, next. Go.
Red.
Okay. Oh, put together red. Red, ito. Good job. Oh, put it there.
Yellow and green.
Yellow, green. No, not correct. Dapat yung more. Correct. Galing niya eh. Ang dami niyang alam. Next.
Right? Stop, stop, stop.
9.
Ate Sel, parang ginamit ko kanina pang cut ng ano. Together, orange. Okay, put here. More. It's okay, it's okay. Go! Inspection ng labels. Okay, put here.
6. Marrow slide.
Ah,
Marrow slide.
oh, doon sa kabilang room, mayroong slide. Galing mo ah. Nalala niya eh.
No.
Galing nila eh. Marunong siya mag-sign. Red. Yellow and yellow. Very good. Red and red. Very good. Good job. Galing ah. High five. What's my name? Teacher? Jen. What's your teacher? Teacher? Teacher?
Aya.
Jen. Teacher Jen. Okay. Do you like to play with animals? Ano sabi mo? I don't understand. In the first barn, in the number 1 barn, we have the
Pig.
pig. Alright.
1.
Okay, wait lang. In the number 2 barn, we have, what's that?
Horse.
A horse. In the number 3 barn, we have a,
Elephant.
no, it's a man.
Horse, horse.
Ay, very good! Ang galing ng memorya. Okay, next. How about number 3? What animal is inside? Dito yung,
1, 2, 3.
dito yung horse, dito yung pig. Oh, what's number 3?
Open.
Oh, what is inside? What's inside? The mouse. Okay.
mouse, mouse, mouse.
Okay, how about this one? In the number 4, what's inside? What's inside number 4?
Yes.
What's inside? The
The
duck.
duck.
Okay, next. Oh, what the last one? What's inside?
Cow, cow, cow,
Very
cow, cow.
good. Galing. Okay, you can play. You can play. You can put them in your fingers. Like that, oh. Put in your fingers. And then, in the number 5, we have the, what's that? Cow. We
Cow.
have the cow. Okay. I want you to remember. Okay, what is in the number 1?
1,
Oh, what's inside?
2,
No, what's inside?
1, 1.
Animal. The pig. Okay. Oh, you put the animals. Hala. Put the animals. Close. Okay, let's pack it away here. Wait lang. Dami mo kinukuha. Wait. Oh, put inside. Rory, put inside. Pack away. Put. Follow the line, oh. Look. Naririnig niya yung follow. Follow, where is it going? Okay, next.
It's not good. Diba? It's sad. Share toys.
A B C.
In your fingers. The top. Put in your fingers. Wow. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Russian.
Anong Russian?
The pig.
Old MacDonald had a farm. Anong Russian? What are you saying na Russian? What's that? Thank you. All right, thank you.
Yes.
Yes. Sit down. Oh, can you do this? Let's try to do this. Put some animals inside na. Oh, next. How about this purple? Rory, purple. Put some animals. Put some animals first inside. Put inside. Very good.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye-bye with the animals. Fix mo yan.
Bye-bye, Russia, Florida, and...
Ang daming sinasabi. Ano yun? Hindi ko alam.
Sit.
Orange.
Good. Next.
Ako din, 9 o'clock bukas. Yay!
Bakit ate sila mga 9 sila? Where would you put that? Look, Rory! You have to look. And lagay.
Orange.
Okay, orange. Where would you put orange? Dito. You look. Okay, color everything yellow. Okay, very good. Okay, find letter D. Find letter D.
D.
Yes. Color it with blue.
D. D.
Okay, one only. One lang. A, B, C, and... Galing. Then you fold it again. Next. Last, yes.
Okay, choose one more.
Pwede na to.
No.
Napapakinggan niya yung letter D. Okay, next. How about letter E? Ilagay mo dun. Letter E. Letter E. Letter E. Letter E. Where is letter E?
E4.
E. I got it. Color it with red. Color it with red.
Red and red.
E.
Find blue.
No, find green. B is green. Color the box green. Very good, Color the box green. More, more. Lahat ng ano.
Ryzen.
Oy.
Build a robot. Jinda.
Color the box green. Okay, find letter C. Find letter C. Find C.
Yellow.
Ayan nga. Asan yung C mo? Asan yung C mo? You have to find it para alam mong yellow. Find C. Find C. Oh no. Find C. Find the letter C. Good. Okay, how about the F? Where is F? Where is F? F. I got it. F. F is green. Lagyan mo dito yung F.
Yeah.
F. Okay, find G. Find I. Red. I tayo, I, hindi R. I is for ice.
R for Rogers.
Ano?
Doon. Balik ko. Hindi. Babalik. Wait ka ron.
Ito! Ayun yung H. Oh, color it with blue. Aray ko, ikikik yung pa ako, ah.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay, next. I. Oh, kakalat siya. I. Sumasagot siya eh. Okay. K is color.
Yellow.
Okay, good job.
Airplane. Very good. Raisa, you again, ha? And Bea.
I, J. Wag na. Okay lang na hindi sila magkapantay. Gusto niya pantay. Ulit. Okay, letter L. Find L. L. Oh, not this. This one.
Red.
Yes, red. Okay, go put M. Rory, L. L is color.
Blue.
Okay, oh, you put color blue in the box.
Alphabet. No.
Yeah, we're doing alphabet. Okay, next letter. Find letter M. Ayun. M. Look, Rory. Attention, please. Mali. More, one at a time. Purple.
One lang. Play first with that.
No.
Alam mo yung ano. What color? What color?
What color N?
Oh, sabihin mo sa akin. Color?
Green.
Okay, here it is. Put here. Letter N. Ayaw. Okay. Diet daw. Dito yan. Gusto niya ipantay. Hindi. Ay, kulit niya eh. Kulit. Merong box egg. Gusto niya ipantay. Ay, si Rory. Oh, nasa yung P. Oh, what about Q? Find Q. Oh, Q. Find Q. Oh, very good for finding O. Very good for finding O. Oh, kunin mo si Rin. Anong color?
Kapag nagpunta ka ako, ma'am,
Oh.
Color?
Red.
Red.
ang tao.
Red and orange.
Bagyo. Punta kayo sa Naro, Tisel. Yes. O, di ba masarap doon? Kumain kayo. Okay, find R.
Where is R?
Where's R? Find it here. Baliktad na.
R4.
Where's R? Ayun!
Ah. What color R?
Anong kulay?
Oh.
Color?
R.
Color? Get you! Find you! Nasaan yung you? You!
Yung ano ko eh. Sama nung
Sorry naman.
number 10. Iba na yung process ko.
Oo nga.
Sabi ko mo reset na.
Wow. Okay, get. Where's S? Find the S.
Where's
Ito.
S?
Okay. Oh.
What color is?
Anong kulay?
Red.
Okay. Manageable. Very manageable siya. Hindi pa lumalabas yung negative behavior. Oh, what's the next letter? Letter?
T.
Oh, where is letter T?
T for
I don't know. Okay. Color red?
yeah.
No! Sabi mo, no! It's yellow. No, teacher. It's yellow. Ganun. Okay, next.
Z.
Z, color blue. No, it's green. Sabihin mo, ganun lang. No, it's green, teacher.
Sleep.
He's gonna sleep. Why are you gonna sleep? You put the letters in there. Color mo na. Then you're done. Done with the alphabet. Thank you. Good job. Number 3.
Wala kang...
Mamaya, hindi pa kami tapos.
Concept, Marky pa po.
Oo, may marky ako at sila.
Marking mo.
Tanggal mo.
Zero.
Mamaya. 4.
Pasok po.
Tanggal mo.
Zero po. Zero.
Kailangan kong luwagan. 5. Wait lang.
Ayun. Pasok.
Number 1, please. Siya. Kasi kami matanda na. Ikaw bata pa.
Wala naman po kung
Ganon.
sinasabing gano'n.
Ha?
Eh, ganun din yun eh.
Oo. Remove mo yung number 1,
Ganun din
please.
ang face mo. So, anong problema mo sa...
Turn mo, turn. Yan. Good. Calling. Okay, number 2.
Okay, okay.